Well, the first day of using Ultra Pond Detox, has it made a difference to the water? Well, I would say not that I can see, although this is only day one. The water looks pretty much the same as it did yesterday before I put in the detox. Parameters on the pond could be different, so we'll give a test of the parameters and see whether there's any changes. But it doesn't seem any different to me today. So this is day one, so we'll see what it's like tomorrow and day two. So, has it made any difference to the water quality? I've just done a test and it's now exactly 5 minutes it's been standing, so we shall have a look. First, ammonia. Ammonia basically looks the same as it did yesterday when I tested it. Nitrate as well looks basically the same as yesterday. Nitrite again looks the same as yesterday. Next is pH. So pH is about the same again. There doesn't seem any difference in the pH. Now we'll have a look at the phosphate. I always check for phosphate once a month, and the phosphate is about the same. So it hasn't made any difference to the parameters of the pond. But this is only day one. We'll do tests again tomorrow and see if it's made any difference tomorrow. But everything in the pond looks basically the same as it did yesterday. So thanks for looking. Please subscribe. I need some subscribers. I'm trying to get as many subscribers as I possibly can before my 75th birthday in November. That way I'm going to get some encouragement to go through the winter. I'm going to be making my new winter pond covers in a couple of weeks' time, because it's already starting to get dark early at night and the temperatures are dropping. Till the next one, take care.